When I started, you could count on your palm of your hand how many compares we had at that time. Today, 2021, we may have about 450 competitors, okay, in the state of Massachusetts. And I saw the need in me to try to do something different. Here we went, 2019 to Bologna, and I saw that, they had so much different material and porcelain, and then, I was hooked. For that moment, I decided to go deeper into that product. The new trend, it is porcelain, okay? And the reason to create, two companies. So Sudbury, we still producing the quartz and the natural stone because that's the bread and butter for the company. Porcelain, okay, it is, the future. If you want something to be beautiful and to be efficient and to improve your quality, you need to invest. Moving into the porcelain, we are learning that we don't need that many manpower. We need more machinery can make the job to be more precise. The Sabre Saw Jet, when I received the machine in March 2020, we was at the beginning of the virus, the COVID. At that time, I had to let it go about 6 people. Okay, the machine, I never expected they'll do such an amazing job. So that machine with less people and a company was able to maintain the growth, okay? And we never had a moment that we had to postpone the job because we didn't have enough people. So for me, it was overwhelming what the machine was capable of doing. I never expected that the machine could help me so much with the porcelain. It was the porcelain that I saw the need, to get into the second one. I am so happy with the single table that I was desperate, to get the second one. It is my best investment. I'm very happy, and I hope I will be able to achieve my goal, which it is growing the business with the porcelain, with the parking industry as the supplier for the machine. What I like in the machine is the 5-axle saw jet, okay?
As a CFO, my favorite thing is when I hear that noise, loud noise, that I know I'm producing. This is my favorite part. The future, it is, the Sabre Saw Jet. If you are planning to start getting involved with Dekton, with porcelain, that's the machine to go. You're just, planting a seed for the future, if you want to grow. It's not about, how many people you have in a shop. It is, how efficient you are in your shop. So having, 2 Sabre Saw Jet, a single table, dual table, we are producing between 1,700 to 2,000 square feet per week, okay? The beauty of that it is that we are only using 4 guys. I went after the European machines, okay, which, I learned too many things the hard way. With Park being an American company, it's much easier to give them a call or get someone in my neighborhood to help me out. The customer service is always been fantastic with us. Our sales rep, Jeff, it's phenomenal. Every time we call and we need something, you guys are there for us. The equipment, the machinery is phenomenal, so we love it.
If you want someone that has been around since the 50s, go with the American-made Park industry. You're not going to be sorry.